These are the two worst things you can do to your homepage. Number one is having just one simple, uninteresting, boring homepage. Wait, can you have more than just one homepage? Well. There are different groups of users on your homepage with different wants, needs, and behaviors. So why should you serve the same content to all of them? Go back to your primary audiences and think, what do these groups of users need? Maybe they want to see their favorite products, or need brand education, or they need a shortcut to the cart. Ka-ching, ka-ching. If you've been watching our short videos, and please tell me you have, you already know this. Now, number two, putting your entire catalog on your homepage. We just said your homepage is the window to your brand, right? Don't we miss shopping malls? No. Now, would a window dresser ever put their whole store assortment, every promotional message, every accessory that they have all on the window? Of course not. So you ask me, how do I know what to put on the homepage? Here, there are two rules. Number one, remember the ABT. Always be testing. It's simple, practical, and smart. 2. Use affinity allocation. Gender is a good place to start. Maybe categories? What about luxury versus promotional? You do you. It's your website. I hope these helped.